Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulb on a Honda Element. So to start out, we're just going to take a Phillips screwdriver and we need to remove these two screws right here. And then once both the screws are out, we're going to pull out on the inside of the tail light here, and it'll want to the back will want to come out, but something's still holding it here in the front. So once you get it here, you want to get your hands in behind the back here and you want to pull directly back towards you. And when you do that, it pops out this clip and alignment pin from the body of the car. And now we can see the back side of the tail light, and the one down here in the bottom, this is your brake light bulb, and it also doubles as your nighttime running light bulb. It's got two filaments in it, so it's possible for your brake lights to work and your nighttime running bulb to not work, or vice versa. So to remove this, we're going to turn it counterclockwise and then just pull straight out. And to pull up on the bulb, just pull directly out on it and it pops out. And this bulb is a 7443, and I'll put a link in the description below of the bulb you need. And just take your new one and just press it in until you hear a click. And now we're going to put it back in. And the shape of this hole is kind of tricky on the Elements. It kind of wants to not feed in and get it seated. So a trick that can help you is this pin. There's an alignment pin here at the bottom. It starts here on the bottom, and you need the bulb to go all the way in, because you can try to spin it around and get it seated and it can be kind of tricky. So this pin's on the bottom. Wait till the bulb goes in and then turn it clockwise and you'll hear it click, and now it's seated in. And then to put it back in, you just want to make sure these pins here are aligned with those two holes. And then once they are, give it a press, and that'll clip it in. And then from here, you're going to want to put your screws back in. And you're going to be careful with these bolts here on the back. The threads on them are really fine. So to get them started, just be real gentle. Don't force the threads to start, because you can cross thread them pretty easily. But just take your time, start easy, and then when you feel it's threaded, go ahead and tighten them up. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your brake light bulb. Thanks for watching.